Bananas, those sweet, yellow fruits that bring joy to our taste buds, are not just a delicious snack, they're also a powerhouse of nutrition. Did you know that bananas are among the most popular fruits worldwide? They have a fascinating history and an impressive nutritional profile that makes them a staple in many diets. In this video, we'll peel back the layers of this beloved fruit and explore its types, health benefits, culinary uses, and much more. What are bananas? Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries. They belong to the genus Musa, and they're grown in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. While we often think of bananas as yellow and sweet, they come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. There are several varieties of bananas, each with unique characteristics. Cavendish bananas. This is the most commonly consumed type globally. With their sweet taste and smooth texture, Cavendish bananas are the go-to for snacking and baking. Plantain bananas. Plantains are starchier and less sweet than their Cavendish cousins. They're often used in cooking, especially in savory dishes. Red bananas. These bananas are shorter and plumper than Cavendish bananas, with a reddish-purple skin. They have a sweet flavor and a hint of raspberry taste. Apple bananas. Also known as manzano bananas, these small bananas have a crisp texture and a flavor reminiscent of apples. They're a delightful addition to fruit salads. Bananas are a great source of several vital nutrients. A medium-sized banana typically contains calories about 105, carbohydrates 27 grams, fiber 3 grams, vitamin C 17% of the daily value, potassium 12% of the daily value, vitamin B6 20% of the daily value. The nutritional components of bananas translate into several health benefits. Bananas are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, making bananas an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Potassium, a mineral abundant in bananas, plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of stroke. Need a quick energy boost? Bananas are a great choice. The natural sugars in bananas, fructose, glucose, and sucrose, provide instant energy, making them a favorite snack among athletes. Ever heard of the banana mood? Bananas contain tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Eating bananas can help improve your mood and reduce stress. Culinary uses of bananas. The simplest and most common way to enjoy bananas is to eat them raw. They make for a quick snack, are easy to carry, and require no preparation. Bananas can be incorporated into various dishes. You can slice them into pancakes, blend them into smoothies, or even use them as a natural sweetener in baking. Bananas shine in the dessert world. Some popular banana-based desserts include banana bread, banana pudding, and banana foster. Each dish showcases the fruit's versatility and flavor. Cultivation and harvesting of bananas. If you're interested in growing your bananas, they thrive in warm, humid climates. They prefer well-drained soil rich in organic matter. With proper care, you can enjoy home-grown bananas in a few months. Bananas are harvested while still green. They ripen off the plant, which allows for better transport and storage. Workers carefully cut bunches of bananas from the plant and hang them in shaded areas to ripen. Here are some fun tidbits about bananas that you might not know. Bananas float in water because they are less dense than water. The scientific name for a banana is Musa sapientum, which means fruit of the wise. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Bananas can help alleviate hangovers due to their potassium content. Let's answer some questions. Are bananas good for weight loss? Yes. Low in calories and high in fiber. Can dogs eat bananas? Yes, in moderation. How can I tell if a banana is ripe? Bright yellow with a few brown spots. Do bananas contain gluten? No, they are gluten-free. How should I store bananas? At room temperature away from direct sunlight. Refrigerate to extend shelf life after ripening. In summary, bananas are not just a tasty snack, they're packed with essential nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Whether you enjoy them raw, cooked, or in desserts, bananas can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. So, the next time you're in the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.